Hello friends, my name is Radha Masood. Today we'll discuss about the topic co-location teams or co-located teams. Friend, this is a very good topic and a very common topic with respect to project management or software development. This is a very common and important topic. Friend, if you are a student of project management, like for example, you are planning to give exam of PMP, or you are planning to give exam of project management in university, or you are managing, you are studying Scrum, Agile, these types of topics you are studying in university, or you are planning to give exam related to project management. So, friend, this topic is very important, and you will see this topic in the exam. Secondly, if you are a professional project manager of software or any other types of organization, so you will see this is very important for you to understand the concept of co-location. What is its importance of co-located teams in project management? So, friend, we will see this topic with respect to project management, and we want to understand that what is the impact, advantages, and disadvantages of co-located team. First of all, then I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Co-location. Friend, first of all, we have to understand that what is the concept of co-location actually. Guys, the term co-located team indicates that there is a functional team working on a project sharing the same workspace. Uh, Friend, see, like for example, if you have any concept understanding of project, like for example in a software house, you have definitely seen that the whole team, like the software engineers, software developers, QA, database engineers, application developers, production deployment teams, they are sitting at one site. Okay, this is a concept of co-location, means a single site. Single site means that all the hardware is there, the resources are there, so the whole resources are sharing same workspace space. Generally it happens the hardware is also available on the same location as well. So you can think of a single room, single place, single site at which the all the necessary or core resources are sitting at one place and they are communicating with each other. Remember friend, one thing, that co-location doesn't mean only the software projects. You can think of any project, any type of project, not necessarily the software project, any other type of project like finance, any government project, etc. So co-location is a general concept that means the all the resources are sitting at one place and they are sharing their workspace with other persons. Think of this as a large room in which all the core resources are sitting at one place and they are talking with each other, they are communicating with each other, they are exchanging their ideas. If you need any information, you can just walk to other person and get the required information. So co-location means that all the required the co-location means that it indicates that there is a functional team working on a project sharing the same workspace, that all the resources are sitting at single site. This is called as the concept of co-location, friend. Now, um, benefits of co-location team. What are the benefits? First of all, friend, the best advantage or benefit of co-location team is that all the resources are sitting at one place. For example, if like for example, just think of another team, that one team is sitting in one city and the other team member is sitting in another city. Distributed team concept is there. So if you have to talk to some other person, you have to talk with them by using phone or by using Skype or some other like Zoom or Teams. So you have to use some sort of software to communicate with other persons. So friend, sometime it happens that the time zone is also different. For example, one resource in city is sitting in for example is sitting in USA and one resource is in Canada. So there's a difference of time zone and you have to wait for the time zone, like you have to send an email because sometimes it happens like if there's a day here, so night is in another country. So remember friend one thing, that due to distributed team factor, the communication becomes so much complex and so much it will take some time as well. Now friend, talking about the benefits which we can get from the co-located team. First of all, the communication is very good. It accelerate and improve the reliability. And that means friend, like all the persons are sitting at one place, you can just go to some other place, or just go there and talk to other persons, and if you need any information, if you need any document, just walk there and talk to another person that you need this information. So the communication is very good, very fast and very accelerated. Why? Because all the resources are sitting at one place. Then the trust level and mutual respect is also very good. Why? Because see, you are interfacing one to one with each other. You are taking the lunch with each other. You are talking face to face with each other. So friend, the level of respect and level of trust is very good in the co-located team. This is my own experience, that when we talk to each other by face, so it has some other aspect. And if you are talking some other person, you don't know about him, you don't know about his about him. So due to those factors, normally communication become very difficult when people are not sitting aside. Streamline the product development. Why? Because see, the product development is good, because again the team communication is good. They are having sitting together, they need whatever the information is required, they are getting at a very speedy manner. So the product development is very good. Operational cost is again very low. Why? Because see, the whatever the resources are required, whatever the network is required, whatever the hardware is required, is also generally at one place, at single site. Generally it happens that if the in the co-located teams, the operational cost is also very low. Why? Because see, for example, if you have to travel to one place, so all the for example 10 resources are working on a project, so all the resources have to reach at single site and then come back from the single site. However, in the distributed manner, like for example, one resource is in city A, one resource is in city B, and the third resource in city C. So the traveling is there, operational cost is there, the network and the connectivities are there. So much operational cost incur when the teams are distributed. you know in the distributed team factor, operational cost is will be high. However, in the co-located team concept, the operational cost will be low. Team management is also very easy in the co-located team. Why? See, all the resources are sitting at one place, so you know that all your resources are at one place. You can just talk with them, you can just you don't need to you whatever the resources are there, you know about them, that these are the resources who are sitting at one place. You can easily get the information, you can easily have an eye on them, what they are doing, are they producing some productive work or not. So it will be easier for you to communicate with them, to manage with them, and the operational cost is also low in the case of co-located teams. So these are the very very big advantages and benefits of co-located team. Also the other benefits, like friend, the questions get answered quickly. Like whatever the query you have, you will answer it, you will get the answer at one very easily. You just think of this picture, like all the resources are sitting at one place. Whatever the information you need, you just raise your hand, you just talk with them that what is the information you required, and the other person will definitely provide you the answer. It will provide you the required information. Problems are fixed on the spot. That means like whatever the information, whatever the problem is there, you can just communicate them, you just talk with them, and hopefully definitely you will get it resolved on the spot. You don't need to go some other person, some other location, you don't need to go somewhere else. All the things, all the resources are at one place, and the things resolve at a very speedy manner. Less friction occur because between interactions. See, because normally due to gap of communication, many frictions or issues occur. So whenever we are sitting together, there are less chances of friction or issues. Trust is gained and avoided much more quickly. See friend, whenever we are sitting together, the level of trust and the level of respect is always high among the co-located team. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thank you, thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.